won the Fortnite. I won. Wait. Yeah. I see you.
Peyton, why are we doing out there? Why are we doing the little whip? Why are we doing that? Fortnite's I'm gonna go cave. Stop. We have neighbors here, and you were extremely embarrassing.
I'm sorry.
Code 6035. I see you.
I swear this was not here.
Why did you do this? We need this paper. It has the code on it. Oh my God. Hey everybody, so welcome back to a brand new video. So we are here with Peyton. So we have to show you guys something. So, we found this. So we're trying to unscramble this code.
I think I found it. Top. I think I found it.
So this is the code, right? Well, we're trying to unscramble it, but it says right here. It says I see you, and we are trying to figure out what this is about. So we're trying to figure this all out. And
Okay.
I'll let you guys I'll update you guys. All right, what do you have so far?
I found the 3 and a 5, and I'm guessing that's a 6. But I don't know, like, I think this goes right here, though. And then, if you go over here, it says code, so it is a code. But then there's a 6 and a 0, so it goes like this. So it looks like a 0, and then there's 5, so I'm guessing the 3 has to go right here.
Wait. Did you put this here originally?
No, it just appeared on my desk.
See, it says code, but what ink is that from? I wonder if it's from this pencil.
Yeah, that came from it, too.
Do you think it could be part of it? I don't know. So what is this? So this is the ICU. What is this?
All right. We're going to write down notes, okay? So here's what we got so far. Oh, wait, this is supposed to be 0.
6035.
We got 6, yeah. So then, quote, I see you. That's about it.
And then we have code at the top. Or it was actually written like this.
How much was this camera?
Oh, I just got this. The camera, you know.
Nice.
So is this what we have so far?
Yeah.
And we have to,
Oh, yeah.
We have to figure out what it's from.
So, are you gonna come to Christmas 89 with me?
Bro, we live in 2022.
No, it's Christmas 89.
Oh, it's 89. For our grandma's 89th birthday.
No, Christmas.
Okay. Okay. And that's what we have so far. some good work. Aran?
What is this? Wait, what is this? Did you do this?